Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Collision Restoration channel. We got a quick one. This was an attempted theft on a Cadillac. You see that? They tried to break into the door. They messed up the door pretty bad. I really only took pictures this time because this was just a quick repair. I just wanted to have something to show you guys. But look, there it is right there, repaired. We welded it. And that's it right there with primer. Getting it ready for paint. This one's a 3-stage paint. That's the Cadillac Pearl White. Basically, it's the color and then the pearl and then the clear on top. It was so close to the edge, we ended up having to blend into the back door. One of the bigger issues was the lock replacement. I had a special order that from the dealership and it took like a week and some change, and then I had to take it to like a locksmith to get it done. But there it is, guys. Another successful repair. Again, if you're in Southern California looking to get some work done, hit us up, send us a message, send us an email, collisionrestorationcenter@gmail.com. Thanks again, guys. Don't forget, like and subscribe.